Hello, before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Arifin Lamdanianto and I'm from 2F2 MPP. So I'm here to explain to you all about fundamental of electrical engineering from resistance measurement to power source configuration. And next, there are some content exists that exists here. The first is measuring resistance with voltage and current, battery internal resistance, voltage source, and current source equivalence. And also combination resistor circuit, wire delta conversion, series connection of batteries. The first
First
topic
topic.
that we will talk about here is measuring resistance with voltage and current. What
What
is
is
electrical
electrical
resistance
resistance?
or air?
Air,
Resistance air
air is
is an inherent
current
property of a material that resists or opposes the flow
flow
of
of
electrical charge or current when voltage is applied. Imagine a water flowing through a pipe when the pipe is narrow or rough inside. The flow of water
water
or current will be difficult. That is resistant. Good conductors
or
such
set
as copper are weak and smooth pipes. Insulators are collected pipes. We can see the right
right
side
side
symbol and
and
unit of resistance. This is ohm or we can call it
is
omega. Okay, we next slide. Why
I resist
resistance must be measured? Electrical
electrical resistance
resistance is fundamental parameter in electrical power power system. I'm sorry. Impact of resistance measurement in mechanical engineering, such as
as
power losses in cable and winding, heat generation in heater motor and resistors, efficiency and reliability of electrical machines. Limit limitation of direct resistance measurement using an ohmmeter. The circuit is energized. The component is large
first
or heaters, motor, windings. The resistance changes
things
with temperatures. Okay, next topic. Basic
basic
concept
concept
of
of
resistance. Resistance
in
is the
opposite
opposition to electric current
flow
flow in a conductor. Mathematic- Mathematically, R
are
equal V divided
divided
I,
I.
or where R
R
is
is
resistant
10
or weak, and the symbol is ohm
ohm
or omega, and V means voltage across the component. I
I
current
current
through the component and the symbol is I
I.
or ampere. This relationship is known as Ohm law,
Oh,
which is valid for linear ohmic materials. Ohm
ohm
law
law
is fundamental
the principle
principle of
of the
direct current
current
or DC circuit, stating that voltage or V voltage is directly
likely
proportional to current
current
E. If the applied voltage is doubles,
upload
the current also doubles as long as the resistance remains constant. And we can see in the bottom
bottom
picture, this is in the symbol of
of
in the formula
formula
of Ohm's law.
of
We can see here And if we want to look for
or
voltage, so this is the formula, the right set, and we can see here engineering case study industrial heater given supply voltage 20 220 volts, measured current 11 ampere, and calculation to look for resistance voltage divided current. So the the answer is 20. And confirm meter design specification, predict power dissipation, P equal V times I, and the answer is two 2420 prevents overheating and failure. And why
why
measure resistance using voltage and current?
pardon
Direct
regulation
resistance measurement or ohmmeter has limitation. Method ohmmeter, and this is the table
table
that you can see on a picture. Voltage current method advantages can be used in operation
patient
systems suitable with industrial skills component and reflect real operating condition. Okay, next jump to
come
the
to
next topic, battery
the
internal
internal
resistance. The importance
important
of internal resistance in electrical power system batteries are often assumed to be ideal voltage sources. However,
ever in
in reality,
reality
every battery has internal resistance, which significantly affects.
text
The first is output
output
voltage, and the second
and
available current,
current
and the third power losses,
causes
and the first heat generation, and the last
as
but not least overall
all this
system
ability
reliability. For mechanical engineering, internal resistance is especially critical in applications
patient
such as
as
motor
more
starting systems, ups and backup power
power system
system, energy storage systems. And this is terminal voltage of battery. We can see the formula V thermal here that you can see on uh, this picture. Mm, maybe we can next to the next topic. This is engineering case study. DC motor starting, and this is given battery EF internal resistance 0.4, starting current 20 ampere, and we want to look for voltage drop. Delta V equal I times R, so the answer is 12 volts voltage. Terminal voltage V equals 24 minus 12, so the answer is 12 voltage. Engineering meaning, motor receives only half the rated voltage. Starting torque is reduced and explain weak or failed motor start. Next topic. This is the topic
topic is
is voltage source
force
and
and
current
current
source equivalence. The importance
person
of source equivalence in electrical and power engineering circuit often
often
contain multiple sources and resistances. Analyzing such circuits directly can be complex and time consuming. Functions of
of
source equivalence for engineers. The first simplifies circuit analysis. The second converts complex networks into simpler equivalent models. And the last
as
have
have
analyzed power source behavior
ever
under load.
load
This concept
app
is very
very
important
important
in the following application.
application
Simplifies
by
circuit analysis, converts complex
like
networks into simpler equivalent models, and have
app
analyzed
as
power
power
source
source
behavior
ever
under load. This is the engineering
engineering
case
case
study,
study
battery
battery
model
simple
simplification. We can see in the data that
data that
given here,
your
battery
I'm
EIMV equal 12
telephone
voltage and internal resistance 2
to
ohm.
home
Voltage
filter serve
source model, current
current
source
serve
model, I
I
equals 12 per 2 equal 6
ampere
amperes. This helps in parallel
parallel
battery
battery
analysis, load sharing,
sharing
evaluation. Engineering
current
case
case
study
study
motor control circuit. In motor
after
control circuits, voltage source from
from is
is used for starting
starting
analysis. Sorry. Current
current
source
serve
from simplifies
ice
control
control
and protection design.
time
Source equivalence
balance of
allows switching between model
the
as needed. Okay, we next to the topic
topic
combined resistor circuits. Series parallel resistor networks. In real electrical
houses
system, resistors are
are real
rarely connected in purely series or purely parallel form. Most industrial and
and
power
power
circuits consist of
of
combined or mixed resistor networks. Understanding
understanding
this circuit is essential
of
for
for
power loss
loss and
analysis, voltage drop
from calculation
calculation, and also protection
action
system design.
time
Uh, I,
I,
I
I
have
have
divided
divided
to group. The left
left
set
side
is series connection. The first we talk about series connection first. Same current
current
flow through all resistor. Total resistor increases, and we can see uh, the right
right
side
side
parallel connection. Same voltage
it's
across all resistor. Is it same? Yeah, it's same. And total resistance
understand
decreases is very different with my live sets, which is series connection. And also the formula
is
is different.
different
Uh, Mostly resist connection used in voltage dividers,
other
current limiting circuit, and parallel connection mostly used in current sharing, braking, resistor, bank. Okay, we jump to
jump
the
to
next topic, why delta conversion. Why
why
or why connection? There's
there's less
resistor connected to a common node often
often
used in motor start
are
connection. Delta connection, the three resistor
dark
connected end to
end to
end
end
from a closed loop used in motor
for
delta
their operate
operation. Why
why
conversion is needed? Conversion allows
those
circuit simplification and easier,
are
easier calculation
calculate
of current and voltages, and also efficient power analysis. Next, I'm next, the last topic, series
there is connect
connection of batteries.
battery
Maybe some I
I
give
give
some I
I
give
give
little bit introduction of
of
battery
break
connection. Battery
battery
are
are
often connected in series to increase output voltage, meet system voltage requirement.
commonly
Commonly electric visuals of system, industrial control system. Series battery
I
connection characteristic. Total voltage
connected
increases. Current
and
remain the same. Internal resistance. 8th. Engineering case study. This is uh, example from this topic. And we jump to the last material, advantage and limitation. Advantages: higher voltage, lower current
earn
for some power,
power
reduces cable losses, and limitation increases internal resistance, voltage imbalance risk, charging complexity, safety and design consideration, use in the identical batteries,
batteries
ensure balance
urging
chargings, monitor temperature and voltage. Series battery
battery
connection increase voltage, but internal resistance
resistance
and losses must be considered. Okay, we jump to the last
as
of